Now let us change our main body. For this, you have to press edit element.
Okay, edit with element.
Edit with element. So once you will start using Elementor and you will experiment with this, it will become very easy. Now you can see that our header and footer is not visible now.
Yes.
Only the main body is visible.
Okay.
Right? Now, in this main body, let me tell you, there are sections.
Okay.
Section is defined by here. Like, can you see this?
Yes, yes.
This is section 1. You can add how many, whatever section you want to add. 2,
yes.
3,
4, yes.
4,
yes.
5,
yes.
6, 7. Now, if you want to add more section,
yes,
you can add section, new section here.
Okay.
Right? And if you want to add section with template, extra
yes.
template, that also you can do. I will show you later.
Okay.
I will add some template with. So you need not do a lot of hard work. So
okay.
everything is ready made. You can add templates, right? So we'll see. Go to the first section, right? In this first section, what do we need to change? We can change the picture. This picture, we can change this name because we are not selling plants. We are selling courses, right? And we can change the link here. Shop now, or we may not change because our shop will be same. So instead of writing shop, you can write here enroll now. Enroll now in the course.
Enroll now. Yeah, definitely.
So first of all, we'll say instead of first quality plant, what we'll say, let us go to this section, right? Best quality plant. Instead, we will say best quality courses.
Yes.
Best quality
courses.
Okay. So you say update. So one good thing about here is that whatever changes you are making here, it is visible. These changes.
Yes.
Similarly, we will change here. We'll press this. And you can see that we will change the right. Amazing courses. We'll write amazing courses. Courses which are affordable. Affordable. Now you can see here our matter has changed. And now we'll go here. Instead of shop now, what we'll do? Instead of shop now,
yes.
We'll write enroll now. Enroll. Right? Now, in this section, we don't want this image because we want an image where some student is visible. Right?
Yes.
So what we will do? We'll go here again, back on this section. We'll go back and we'll go to the style.
Yes.
In this style, you can see this picture is there.
Yes.
Right. Now, first we have to check that what is the size of this picture. We have to understand that what is the size of this picture.
Yes.
Because we have to create the same size picture. Here it is 1920 by 1220. You write it down somewhere.
1920 by 1220.
20 by 1280. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll take a picture which is of the similar size. It is better if it is same size, but it should be. So we'll go to Pixabay.
My thumbnail blaster will help a lot in this matter.
Yes.
Because in my thumbnail blaster, any size of picture, in any size of banner you can create.
Very good.
Just you have to put the size.
Yes.
1920 1280.
Yes.
And you can create your own banner.
Yes. So in your software, it will become more easy because you will see the size and you can change that because you already know how to make the size. So it is good that you already know because for you it will become very easy. So what I will do is I will download some picture from Pixabay, which I have already downloaded. So let's see what picture I have. So I will select some picture of some student. I will try to put some picture which is of the students. So what I will do? I'll go to my pictures here, where some students are there. Let us see if we can find some picture where some students are there. Okay. So what I will do, I will take some picture, some light. So like for example, I take this picture, this light picture. I'll take this. Let me see what is the size. So the size of this picture is again very similar, 1920 by 1280. It's actually, by chance it is same, by chance. Can you see? So I will use this picture. I will insert this media. Can you see now? Now our picture has changed. Now let us update it, and we can now go to the page just to see. We'll press the I. Now you can see how everything is changed. Here, picture is changed. Amazing courses which are affordable. Enroll now. Best quality courses. eBusy. Everything is there.
Yes.
Footer bar already changed. Now our picture has changed.
Okay.
So here again, so in each section you can make these modifications.
Okay.
Once you will do practice, instead of featured plant, you can write featured courses.
Yes.
Right? Like that. So everything can be changed. And you have seen that there is no coding required.
Okay.
Absolutely, there is no coding required.
Now I can change every D.
Yes, you will be able to change by editing Elementor. And one more thing I will show you, which is very important for you. I will not change the whole section, but I will try to add something new.
Okay.
From Astra. So you will see that we can add something new. So I will again add editing with the Elementor and go to the bottom, and we will add another section from Astra template. So it will be ready made. Now we'll press this. So I can add something. You can see, add here like this also. This was also there, same thing. But I will add something which is connected with our education. Okay.
That means you are adding another template within the template.
In the page, I am adding another section, or I can remove all the section and put a new. I can even put a new page also.
Okay. Okay.
So, but what we will do? We will use the page, and we will delete what we don't need.
Okay.
We will include the whole page, but we will delete what we don't need. Like, let us see what we can do. So let us go to our this page is there, Learn-Academy.
Okay. Yes.
So we will use this. We will use this Learn-Academy. Now here.
Yes.
Here we want to use this all courses, for example.
Yes. Fine.
So I will use all these courses, all courses.
Yes.
And I will use import template.
Okay.
So I'm importing this. But we don't need this at the top. We don't need. So we'll remove this one.
Okay.
Because in our case it is already there.
Okay. We need only the courses
part. So we'll remove that part. I'll see. Now here you can see we have added this whole code. Okay, automatically the header has not come automatically because header was already there.
Okay.
So it has not added. So it has added only all courses, and here it has put some dynamic page because this will have our featured courses here automatically.
Okay.
And what our students say this portion is added. Can you see this?
Yes.
So now we will say update. And we will see our page, how it looks like. So we have added something new. So this is same.
Yes.
We'll go down. This is same. These are our main courses.
Yes.
These are our featured courses.
Yes.
And we go down, and we come to the all courses. We make some changes here. Now here it is not working dynamic because it is not connected.
Okay.
So we'll have to change little bit. I will tell you what is this. This is called shortcode.
Okay.
So for example, we can use the shortcode of LMS tutor LMS.
Okay.
So all the courses which are on tutor LMS will come here automatically.
Automatically.
Okay,
it's very
automatically. You don't need to put these courses. It will automatically take.
That means I can put my paid courses in home page also.
Yes, you can write here.
Hmm.
You can add another section here.
Hmm.
Our special courses. So
Hmm.
when you write special courses, automatically those special courses will come. So I will. You will learn it. You will learn it.
Okay.
So what our students say, this portion has come, right? And our footer is there.
Nice.
You can see here.
Yes.
So it is so easy. It is so easy. So you can add section, you can remove section. I can remove some sections here,
Okay.
right? So this section I can remove. I can put pictures here. The pictures are not there in this. I can put pictures here in this. Okay.
Very nice.
So it is a very user friendly system. Added Elementor. Okay. So this portion on all the pages you can do this. All the pages.
Okay.
Slowly you will learn. In contact us pages, you can put your company name. Contact us. You can put here company name. Same way. You can put your company name. Like when we say edit with Elementor and go to this page, contact us. You write your address here. You can write address here. Okay. How you'll write our location address is there. So I can change the address. So I will say B13 Ahimsa Bihar sector 9.
Very nice.
Now automatically this map will change automatically.
Okay.
The moment you put the different address, it will find the address automatically.
Okay. Automatically it will change.
Yes. Delhi, India. You will see this will also change. The moment I will update this, okay. Let's see. So when I say our location is changed, why it will change? Because it is connected with this.
Achha.
So let us see this page. Our address is changed now. It is India now. Okay. So I tell you why it has not changed.
No,
Because
I think go back.
we have to change address here also.
No, yes, you go back.
Yes,
go back.
we have to go back and we have to
go
change
back.
the address in the map also. So automatically the map address will change.
Yes. Use
Okay.
select
Yes.
on map. Select
Yes.
the map.
We have to select the map.
Yes.
Now here we
Now
have to
you
change
put the location.
We have to change the address.
You write the Gore Enclave 2.
Gore
Gore
Enclave.
Enclave 2.
Gore
Enclave
Enclave
2. Enclave. Enclave 2.
2
Sahibabad, Sahibabad.
Sahibabad.
Sahibabad, Ghaziabad.
Sahibabad.
Ghaziabad. Ghaziabad, India.
India. Now you can see here it is already changed.
Yes.
Gore
Updated.
Enclave. So when I say update, automatically it is changed. Right now, if you see now, so it is a very user friendly. Can you see the
Yes.
Shalimar Garden is visible?
Yes,
Gore Enclave
definitely.
Right, and you can change the design of this form also.
Okay.
It is called WP form or Ninja form. So I have changed from WP form to Ninja form. You can use anyone.
Okay.
This particular if you want to use Ninja form, then you will have to add the plugin Ninja form.
Okay.
The two plugin which are very famous, one is WP forms and second is Ninja form. So this particular house or this particular website which we have created is using WP forms. So both are okay.
How can we add Ninja form?
Okay. So to add Ninja form, we'll go to dashboard.
Okay.
And we will go to the plugin.
Okay.
And when we go to the plugin, you press add new.
Okay. Then it will automatically come on the top of the.
So we have to search. We have to write in the search. We have to write Ninja form.
Ninja form. This is very good.
But we have to do little bit setup. I will tell you how it is to. So let me see why it is not coming here. Just a minute. Ninja form should come. Yes, it is it's coming.
NIN. Just NIN.
It will come. Yes, it is coming. So
Yes.
you can see here Ninja form.
Okay.
So what you do you install it. First
This is.
of all, you
I think this is a special for the contact form.
yes. This is more user friendly. Ninja form is more user friendly.
Okay.
You can use WP form, which is already there. See, WP form is already there.
Yes.
WP form is also good, but Ninja form is better. It is more simple, and the design is better, little better.
Okay.
So we can use Ninja form. Now, when we say activate, so I will show you. I will change it to Ninja form. I'll show you how it is to be changed.
Okay.
So we go to Ninja form. Okay.
Yes.
In Ninja form, we come to Ninja form, and I want to use Ninja form, right?
Yes.
Now it is already created. Automatically it is created.
Okay.
One. So let us see how it looks like. See, we can create another, but it has already created one simple form.
Okay.
Let us see how it looks like. So it is like this. Can you see this? Contact me.
Yes.
So this is a simple one.
Okay.
So what I will do, I will go back and I will copy this shortcode here.
Okay.
We have to copy this shortcode,
Okay.
right?
Ah.
I've copied this shortcode. And what I will do, I will go back to my website. Shortcode is very important.
Okay.
You go to contact form and edit with Elementor.
Okay.
And go to the contact form.
Okay.
Go to the contact form here. Shortcode has come. Can you see this?
Yes.
But this shortcode is WP form.
Okay.
So I will put Ninja form. Ninja. And I will apply. Now my form will change. You can see now design has changed.
Yes.
Okay. I will update it.
It is updating.
So when I change this, another field for mobile phone. So when you go back to this Ninja form, you can make those